Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Lamborghini sound out of a can. Empty. Okay, the first thing you need to do is peel off this right here. Hold up. Oops. And you crush it like this. Fold it like that. And I rinsed mine out because it sounds better. So whenever you rinse yours out, it might sound a little better. Blow it and then dry it out. But I think you should use a smaller can because these don't fold as well. They sound better with smaller cans. I made a lot of them, but they're going to. Alright, here you go. It works and it's perfectly fine. So those are all mine that I made, and like, subscribe, and comment.